friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Decor. In today's video I'll try to show you how you can actually hide the applications in the OnePlus Nord 2 phone. So this is a question which has been asked by a few of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this topic, and in this video I'll try to give you the quick tutorial friends how you can actually do it very simple in this OnePlus Nord 2 device. So first you need to go to the app drawer. As you can see, this is the exact default launcher. Don't try to use any other third-party launcher. Try to use the default launcher. Once you use this launcher, try to swipe to the left side. As you can see, when you swipe to the left side, you will see this kind of option which says hidden space, as you can see friends. So in this way you can actually hide the applications in the OnePlus Nord 2 by default. As you can see, it's very simple and straightforward. So if you want, you can actually set the password as well. Try to tap on these three dots. So once you tap on the three dots, click on the enable password. Now you can actually enable the password as well. You can give your own passwords, and whatever the fingerprint you did set for the lock screen, same fingerprint you need to give the permission. As you can see, only then the hidden space will be opened. So in this way you can actually enable and disable the password as well if you want. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward. So in this way you'll be able to add all the applications if you want to hide from the app drawer in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So this is a quick tutorial friends how you can actually do it in the OnePlus Nord 2. So I thought of explaining in very short and sweet only, keeping the video length very small. That is the reason. And in case if you have any other queries on this OnePlus Nord 2, don't forget to check the playlist which I uploaded more videos on the OnePlus Nord phone. You can find so many playlists which are created on the OnePlus Nord 2. Try to follow the playlist and you can understand about this device. In case if you want to download this live wallpapers, don't worry, there's separate playlist which is all for the wallpapers as well. Try to check the playlist and you can find all the wallpapers available over there. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.